souhaitons la bienvenue à tout le monde ici. Ceux qui parlent français, dans ceux qui ne parlent.
Actually, my real vlogs will be the North vlogs, but
I work with the organization Congolese Refugee Heritage, and I'm one of the organizers for this event. I just want to go ahead and thank everyone for coming and spending your evening with us. I know people were concerned with the storms, but thank God it's not coming right now. So let's just shift our attention to what's happening right now, what's happening in the room. We have plenty of things for you to see and go to each table and experience. First thing, I just want to bring your attention. We have a special guest, country guest, up in the back. It's Palestine. They are here to bring awareness to what's happening right now in Palestine. So if you have a moment, please stop by their table, look at the things that are going, learn something new, and see how you can advocate for that country as well.
Hello everybody, my name is Musa Guerra and I'm representing Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a country in the middle of West Africa and is surrounded by French-speaking countries. And
I'm representing IT Asian Girl French. My name is Cedric.
Hello, I'm from Madagascar and I'm representing Madagascar flag. So we are an island and we are surrounded by ocean and we speak French. So we got our independence on 26 June 1960.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud El Farra. I'm from Palestine. I'm from Palestine, specifically Gaza City, where is the war and all the kill happening from the occupation of Israel to my people. So Palestine is so beautiful country. It's in Asia. I know it's not in Africa, but you guys invited us here. Thank you so much. We love you as much as you love us, even more. Thank you so much. I hope everyone pray for Palestine and free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Hello everybody, I am representing Somalia and we are located in the Horn of Africa, and also we're really known for eating bananas with our rice. Hello everyone, I'm representing Togo. Togo is a small country between Benin and Ghana. We are a very welcome country and we speak French. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm representing Zambia. Zambia is in the southern Central Africa. We have a lot of wildlife. We have one of the biggest waterfalls, Victoria Falls. And we will exit through that way.
Team Somalia. Please give them a round of applause for Team Somalia, please. Give them a round of applause, please. An amazing job. It's a great team, it's a very young team, they have a great future ahead of them. Thank you, South Sudan, thank you. Good.